Hi, this is Brad Linder with Liliputing, and I want to show you something pretty cool, which is XBMC for Android. XBMC is a popular media center application that's typically designed to run on a range of devices running Linux or Mac or Windows. It was originally designed for the Xbox video game console, but now there's an early build available for Android. The developers are still working on it. It's not really optimized for small screens yet. It's not really optimized for a lot of different processors in terms of hardware video acceleration, but it works pretty well here on the HTC One X. This is a version that was compiled by the folks at the Mini And forums who were trying to get it to work on the MK84 and Mini X, which are little devices that you can plug into a TV and use sort of like a media center. It's kind of weird to run a media center application meant for a TV on a small device here, but we've got a 720p screen, so it actually looks pretty good. The only real problem is that we need some sort of skin that's going to make it a little bit easier to navigate with your fingers, because some of the text is really pretty tiny. But just to show you that it works, I went ahead and installed a couple of video add-ons. So you can see that we've got College Humor, which actually doesn't work right now, Funny or Die, and a couple of others. So let's go ahead and try a Funny or Die video. So this is an internet video site, and let's just go ahead and click Exclusives. And start a video.
Exclusive.
So you can see it's working. We've got a little user interface. Now again, the play, pause, etc. buttons are pretty tiny, so they're going to be kind of hard to hit, but it is possible. And let's go to some videos that I have actually streaming, not on this device, but from my living room PC, where I have a TV tuner plugged in. So we've got a list of videos that I recorded from broadcast TV, streaming over a home internet connection. It's kind of a long list, so it's taking a minute to find everything. There we go. So this is actually a 720p video that was recorded off of TV, and video quality looks pretty good. In fact, I would say the video quality is perhaps even better than using VLC or Mobile Player or any of the other video players that I've tried for Android on this particular device. So even though it's not officially released yet, even though it's not optimized, this build that's been compiled runs pretty well on the HTC One X, and if you have a similar new phone, you might have similar success getting it to run properly. You know, the user interface could be a little bit faster, and like I said, it would be really nice if the buttons were a little bit easier to tap with fingers, but for a early build of XBMC for Android, it's pretty impressive. This is Brad Linder with Liliputing.